Hi everyone, I hope you all are good. So today's video is all about cleaning the brushes. In this video, I'll be guiding you on how to clean and reshape the acrylic paint brushes, and for this I'll be sharing 3 methods. So let's begin. First of all, we will clean the brushes those we forget or left into the water and in the paint. For these kind of brushes, we can simply use nail remover. Now take some cotton and dip it into the nail remover. Then cover all the bristles of paintbrush and hold it for at least 10 to 15 seconds and gently rub it to dissolve the paint. And at last, don't forget to wash the brushes in the clean water. Now I am going to clean the brushes those are little hard or will leave it in the paint for a long time. So for these kind of brushes, you need to take any soap or some water. Now dip the brush in the water and gently rub it first on soap, after that on your palm. Or you can also use your fingers to remove the paint. And don't worry about the shape of brushes, we will fix it in the end of this video. And clean the brush properly because it looks clean from the upper side, but still some particles of the paint are left over from inside, as you can see in the video. And the last one is dye print brushes that are too hard. Mostly I prefer these two methods, but for dye print brush I experimented a new technique. So for this also I am using same things. Take some water and any regular soap. But after rubbing the brush on soap, gently rub it on this jar. It can be any type of jar like waste steel or iron net. And for the good results, please follow the same process as shown in the video. I really found this technique very helpful, especially for weak and hard brushes. And I think I'm cleaning these two brushes approx after 2 months, and now you can also see the changes. Now to fix your brushes, take some warm water. It should not be too hot or not too cold. Then take your brushes and move 3-4 times into water and leave them only for 1 minute. After that, give shape to each one and leave them to dry. Now I'm going to keep them carefully for better shape. Also, if you are not using any of your brush for the long time, then store them like this to avoid damage or bristles from dust or any of the reasons. And one more thing, you can also clean the brush head or handle using the nail remover. These are the very simple ways to keep your brushes clean and safe. And if you like this video, then please like and share it and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure to press the bell button on to get notified. Till then, bye bye and take care.